Good morning, Namaste. Myself Dr. Shalan Pawar. I am presenting a seminar on tuberculosis, lab diagnosis and bacteriology. Bacteriology. TB is a chronic infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is still one of the deadliest diseases in the world. More than 90% of all cases occur in developing countries. Magnitude of disease: most children acquire the organ from the adult in their surroundings. A young child infected with tuberculosis, as indicated by the positive tuberculin test, is about 10%, and 5% of them likely to develop disease in first year after infection, and rest 5% develop disease during their lifetime. Tuberculosis, Mycobacterium are acid-fast bacilli, bacilli with mycolic acid containing cell wall. Epidemiology. Agent: all the pulmonary tuberculosis patient, most cases of culture extrapulmonary and caused by human type staining of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mode of infection: usually mode of infection is through inhalation of droplet infection secreted in the coughing and other. Rarely infected through skin, mucous membrane and transcutaneously. Post maximally malnutrition, undernutrition children are most susceptible to develop tuberculosis due to decreased defense mechanism. Female are more prone. Lab diagnosis. Lab diagnosis is divided into two categories. One is demonstration or isolation of Mycobacterium tuberculosis and its component, and other demonstration of host response to exposure to Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Demonstration of component is divided into four types: Jourdain staining, culture, PCR and other. Sample from the sputum, gastric lavage, oropharyngeal lavage, fluid, best can be collected from various sites. Best sample specimen for demonstration of Mycobacterium tuberculosis is early morning gastric aspiration obtained by using NG tube before child awake. The yield of Jourdain staining is less than 20%. For better result, at least 2 consecutive specimens is required. Culture. LG medium is the most widely used medium culture for Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Culture technique is simple, but 7 to 2 weeks of incubation may be necessary for demonstration of all organism. The yield of culture is 30 to 50%. PCR, polymerase chain reaction, most commonly used technique of nucleic acid amplification for diagnosis of tuberculosis. PCR have sensitivity for up to 80%, while specificity is up to 100%. New test based on RT-PCR, real-time PCR, that is fully automated gene expert, developed for Mycobacterium tuberculosis in the sputum in adult. That is under evaluation for the child in diagnosis. Serology, ELISA used in children to detect antibody to various purified or complex antigen of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculin test. The tuberculin test is the monitoring test is most used for the stabilizing the diagnosis of tuberculosis in children. This is delayed type hypersensitivity reaction to specific antigen component of bacilli. The reaction to tuberculosis bacilli begin 5 to 6th after reaching the infection. Maximally duration is 48 to 72 hours. 0.1 ml of tuberculin injected intradermally, polar aspect of arm. After 48 to 78 hours, the Diameter of induration should be measured transverse to the long arm of axis or axis. Non-reactive does not exclude the disease. Some of the test is false positive and some of them is false negative. False positive, infection of atypical mycobacterium BCG vaccine and infection at the site of test. False negative infection, viral infection, measles, mumps, chickenpox, bacterial, typhoid, brucellosis, and chronic renal failure, liver failure, drug steroid may be false negative. Factor related to tuberculosis, which is cause of false negative, that improper storage, improper dilution, contaminated subcutaneous injection, error in reading also. Interpretation of tuberculosis test, less than 5%, less than 5 millimeter induration is negative, 5 to 10% is borderline, considered to immune component dose, may be required other tests also. More than 10 millimeter is suggestive of positive test. Radiology is one of the important investigation. Chest radiograph is an important role in the diagnosis of childhood TB. The typical X-ray presence of pulmonary primary complex in the air space consolidation variable size using unifocal or hematogenous. But algorithm is important for diagnosis of tuberculosis. Whenever fever and cough more than 40 days, we will go for sputum examination. If acid fast bacilli become positive, we immediately start anti-tuberculosis, anti-ATT. If acid fast bacilli become negative, we start antibiotic for 7 to 10 days, and then sputum is positive, and X-ray monitoring test. If it is becomes positive, then start ATT. If it is negative, then indicated tuberculosis and other diagnosis things. So, namaste.